If you subscribe to Waverly Utilities Restart Services, you can restart a live program so you'll never miss the beginning of your favorite show again. Plus, Restart is available with your DVR service. To restart a program you are currently watching, press the OK button on your remote to be taken to the details screen. Here you will select Restart TV to view the program from the beginning. To control playback of the program, you can use your transport buttons on your remote. Use fast forward or rewind on your remote to move 4, 16, 32, or 64 seconds at a time. Pause the program and use the play button to resume. The skip button will advance 30 seconds and the replay button will replay the last 8 seconds. Press the stop button to exit the recording. You can also restart a live program from the guide. Channels that have the restart feature enabled will have an asterisk next to the network name. When you find a live program in the guide you'd like to restart, press the play button on your remote to start the program from the beginning. For additional help with your cable service, call the Waverly Utilities customer service at 319-559-2000, Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.